We've got a pile of skeins over here, and even more buried under there. And over here, a serious case of cone collapse. That should be easy to fix. There's this pile that's clogging up my sewing machines that needs to be organized in with the rest. Hello and welcome to Carson Does Things That Are Entirely Inside Her Comfort Zone. I have too much yarn, and my employer just executed a big round of layoffs, so I feel the need to take control of my life right now, so we're gonna organize my yarn stash. Oh god, that's heavy. I got a shoe shelf. This should make it easier to see all of my yarn and organize it so it doesn't collapse the way it has in the past. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. I have too much yarn. Ta-da! So the shoe shelf is for the individual skeins and the cakes that I already have. I tried to cluster the yarn by weight and by brand and by type, but didn't always accomplish that. And the cones I'm trying to cluster by type as well. Most of these guys are polycryl. This is a much more stable arrangement of cones than I had before. Here it is, the new yarn setup. It's not perfect, but it's much better than what I had before, and the yarn is much less likely to collapse. In this process, I realized I have far too much yarn and I need to stop buying more, so I'm going to attempt that and just use what I already have in my stash. So the projects might get interesting over the next couple months. I hope you enjoyed this. Taking control of my yarn helped me feel a little bit more in control of my life, and I think things are going to get better from here.